And that brings us to the fourth and final phase of rotator cuff rehabilitation. And once again, if you don't have full range of motion, we're going to continue stretching. Active range of motion has been going on for over a month now, and we're going to begin strengthening. So oftentimes that's done using a rubber band to create a little bit of resistance, and you can do that in a variety of different directions. Usually this is being guided by the physical therapists, but you can use a resistance band like this to create external rotation resistance. You can put it below and you can bring it up and create a rotational resistance, and you can attach it to a doorknob or other structure and you could pull in and rotate against resistance that way. And so it's important to understand when we're trying to achieve strength that we don't strengthen every single day. The exercise itself is creating a stimulus for the muscles to grow, and then you need a couple days to recover and allow the muscles to build up before you create an additional stimulus. Stretching, on the other hand, really is best done on a daily basis without days off.